Hi children, welcome you all to this session. Today we are going to start with a new topic called expanded notation. So that you can take page number 15 for this. Expanded notation and standard form will be explained in this session. Okay children? Today we are going to discuss from page number 15. Okay, this is one new concept which is called as expanded notation, or you can say it as expanded form. Okay, so just they will give you a number and we have to expand that number, which means you have to split that number. That is our concept. Expanded means what? If there is one rubber band in your hand, it will be only this much size. What you will do, you will expand or you will enlarge like that. The same way you have a number. That number you have to expand it. That is our concept. Okay. So first there are three ways to expand a number. Okay. That three ways I will explain you. You can choose which way you want it. Okay. So first, before expansion, you have to write the place value of all these numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000s. So before expanding, what you should do? You should write the place value of these numbers. So how you can expand this? 7, 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, see 7 10,000s plus 8,000 plus 600s plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. This is one way of expanding. Okay, if you add all those things, you will get this number. That is why I am putting plus in between every place values. You should not put multiplication, children. You should only put plus in between all these numbers. Only if you add all those things, you will get the answer. Next is we have to, I am going to give you a different method of expanded form. Okay. Now, first what we have done? We have done the expanded using this place values. Next what I am going to do is, by using this I am going to write 7 10,000 means how you will write 7 into 10,000, right? Plus 8,000, so 8 into 1,000 plus 600s, 6 into 100 plus 3 tens, 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1, because 2 ones. Listen carefully. The first method is 7 10,000, 8,000, 600s plus 3 tens plus 2 ones. Like that you will write it. In second method, what you do is, instead of writing this in names, I am writing it in number. That's all. 7 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1s. Understood how I have written? Instead of writing it in number name, I have written it in numbers. Next, another is, instead of writing it 7 into 10,000, you can write it as 70,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 30 plus 2. Like this also you can write it. Listen how I have written 70000. So 70,000 plus 8 3 zeros plus 6 2 zeros plus 3 1 0 plus 2. This will be quite easy when compared to others. Okay, there are three methods to expand a number. You can use any three methods. Understood, children? This is your example. For this also you can refer page number 15. Okay. The question is, write 8,06,000 245 in expanded form in 3 different ways. We have to write it in expanded form in 3 different ways also, which means 3 methods also you have to use it. Okay, now what I told you, first method is you have to write the place value for all the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so can we write the expanded form now? 8 lakh plus 0 10,000, or you can write it as 0 alone, no problem. 0 10,000, 6,000 plus 200s plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Listen, 8 lakh plus 0 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 200s plus 4 tens plus 5 ones. Understood the first expansion? Next, what I told you, instead of writing in number name, we can write it in number. So 8 into lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. So this is how I have written 8 into 1 lakh plus 0 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Okay? And next thing, how do you write? Instead of writing this separately, I am writing it together. 8 lakhs plus 0. 0 into 10,000, 0 plus 6,000 plus 200 plus 40 plus 5. Listen, 8 lakh plus 0 into 10,000, 0 plus 6 into 1,000, 6,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 plus 4 into 10, 40 plus 5 into 1, 5. Understood? Next is your second example. This also it is present in page number 15. Okay? So, now what you are going to do is, you are going to write the standard form for this expanded form. Standard form means the number which will be expanded. Okay? That we have to shorten. You have to shorten write it. That is our standard form. Okay? Standard form means what? The number will be in expanded. That we have to write it in short. Okay? Usually they will give you a numeral. That we have to write the expanded form. Here they have given the expanded form. We have to write the standard form. Which means our numeral we have to write it. Okay? See, listen. What they have given? 7 10,000 plus 8,000 plus 600 plus 2 ones. So this is what form? It is a expanded form. So we have to write it in the shrinked way. Okay, now first what is the place value given? 10,000. So it is in 10,000 place. So I am writing 7 10,000. So I am just writing the 7 alone. After 10,000 what it should be there? 1,000. Whether 1,000 is there? Yeah. So what is the value? 8. After that 100. 100 is there? Yeah. So you can write the 6. Next, after hundreds, tens. Whether tens are there? No. So you can put 0. After tens, what is that? Ones. Ones is there. So what is the value? 2. Understood how I have written the standard form? Listen, 10,000 is there. So I am writing 7. After 10,000, 1,000. So 8. After 1,000, hundreds is there. So I wrote 6. After 100, 10 should be there, but it is not here, so I am putting 0. If anything is not there, you put 0. Okay, next ones I will put 2. So this is my standard form for this expanded form. Understood? Next, 60,000. So I am writing 6. After 60,000, 1,000 place should be there. Yes, 5,000. So I can write this. After thousands, 100 place should be there. Is it any 100 place here? This is 1000. This is tens place. So no 100 place. So I am putting 0. After 100 place, ones place, tens place should be there. It is there. So 5. After that, ones place. So 7. So this is my answer. See, listen. Here totally 5 digits are there. After that, 4 digits should be there. So I wrote 5. After that, 3 digits should be. Whether any 3 digits are here? No. So I am putting 0. After that, 2 digit. So I wrote 5. After 1 digit, 7. For this, you can count the digit and you can write it. 5 digit, 4 digit. There is no 3 digits. So I am putting 0. After that, 2 digit. After that, 1 digit. Okay. This is how you should write the standard form. Next. 8 into 1 lakh. So lakh place is there. After that, what place should be there? 10,000 place. So this is my 10,000. So can I write this 5? Yeah. After 10,000, 1000 place should be there. Is there? Yeah. So I am writing 4. After 1000 place, 100 should be there. 100 is there? Yeah. So I can write 3. After hundreds, tens place. Tens place is there? Yes. After tens place, ones place. Is there any ones place? No. So you can put it as 0. Okay. Listen. 8 into 1 lakh. So I wrote 8. After 1 lakh, 10,000. So I wrote 5. After 10,000, 1,000. I wrote 4. After 1,000, hundreds. I wrote 3. After hundreds, tens should be there. I wrote 2. Then ones is not there, so I wrote 0. So this is my standard form for this numbers. So there are 3 ways. There will be 3 different questions in the standard form. But you have to think. For this alone, you count the digit and you write it. For this alone, you can see the place values and you can write the numbers. If anything is missing, you put 0. That is the concept here. Understood, children? Next is your exercise 1D. Okay. For that, you can take page number 16, children, in your textbook or the pictures which I have given you. Okay. So first question is fill in the blanks. Okay. In that A and B question, I will teach you. C, D, E is your homework. Okay. A, B, I will teach you. C, D is your homework. Now what I am going to do is I am going to fill in these blanks. Okay. So question is 87,134. This they have expanded, but this is missing here. This dashes are missing, but they have actually done the expanded form there. Right. So for expanded form, for like this, what you will write first? I will write the place value for all these numbers. For this type of expanded form, what I will do? I will write the place value for all these numbers. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. So in 10,000 place, what number should be there? 8, 10,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. Understood? 8 10,000s plus 7,000s plus 100s plus 3 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, this is how you should fill in the blanks. Now listen, for this question, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, lakh. Okay, so what they have given is, they have given the 4, but the place value is not the 4 into lakh, right? 4 into lakh plus 0 into 10,000, which means 0, 5 into thousands plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. This is what we have to write. That things are missing here. So can we write like this? 4 into lakh plus 0, they didn't give, because 0 into anything 0 only, so they didn't give. 5 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. So 4 into 1 lakh plus 0, don't want, 5 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 9 into 1. Understood how I have written? Your C, D, E is your homework, children. Second question is write in expanded form. Expanded form means what? We have to expand that numbers. Okay, this number you have to expand and write. Okay, I will give you two different ways alone, or you can write 3 different ways also, or 1 different way also. If they mention you to write in 3 different ways, you should write all the 3. If they didn't mention you, you can use any 1 or 2 or your wish. Okay. So I am going to write the place value: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Okay. So for 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 6 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 4 ones. Okay, A4 10,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 8 tens plus 4 ones. Or you can write as 4 into 10,000 plus 1 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Or you can write it as, there are 3 ways: 40,000 plus 1,000 plus 600 plus 80 plus 4. Like this also you can expand. There are 3 different ways to expand it. You should work out individually, only then you will get a clear idea about it. Okay, next. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So how you will start? From this side. Okay. So 7 lakh plus 1 10,000 plus 0,000 plus 600 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. Okay, listen. 7 lakh, 1 10,000 plus 0,000 plus 600 plus 9 tens plus 2 ones. So next way, how to write it? 7 into 1 lakh plus 1 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1,000 plus 6 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 2 into 1. 2 into 1. Okay, this is how. Next another way, 7 lakh plus 10,000 plus 0 plus 600 plus 0 into anything 0 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. Okay, 7 lakhs plus 10,000 plus 0 plus 600 plus 90 plus 2. Understood, children, how to write the expanded form? Your C and D sum is your homework. Okay, children? Next question is your third question. Okay? Write in standard form. Standard form means what? Short form. Shorting or shrinking. You are going to shrink that number and you are going to write it. Because the question they have given is in expanded, we have to write the short form for this. That is the question. Okay? Now, 5 digits are there. So, I wrote 7. After that, how many digits should be there? 4 digits. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, I can write 6 as such. Then, after that, 3 digits should be there. There are 3 digits. So, I am writing 8. After that, 2 digit is there. So, I am writing 5. After that, 1 digit. 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit. So, I am writing as such. So, this is my short form or standard form for this expanded form. Okay, next. 4 into 1 lakh. So, 1 lakh is there. After 1 lakh, 10,000. But it is here is 1,000. So, 0. After 10,000, 1,000. So, 1. After that, 100. So, 3. After that, tens place. No tens. So, 0. After that, ones place. So, 4. Listen. 1 lakh. So, I wrote 4. After that, 1 lakh, 10,000 should be there. But no 10,000. So, I wrote 0. After 10,000, 1,000. So, I wrote 1. After thousands, hundreds, I wrote 3. After hundreds, tens. No tens is here. So, 0. After tens, ones. So, 4 this is given. So, this is my standard form. So, next is your B and D question is your homework, children. Did you understand how to write the expanded form and standard form of numbers? Today's session, we have completed page number 15, examples, everything.
Then exercise 1D also we have completed. The model problems or related problems I have given you as a homework. Hope you all understood, children. Thank you.